call this my classic rack.
Okay.
You know, of course, got the. I really just kind of use this for additional inputs.
Yeah.
With the
Focus right.
18i,
18i.
20,
Mm-hmm.
and so this is a line mix of that. The
route. So you use the route through your racks.
exactly
Yeah.
as well. So so that's
Man, so let's see. You got the Yamaha. You got the Motif.
you got the ES
rack.
You got the XR, the Phantom,
Mm-hmm.
the Triton rack, the classic Motif here,
Mm-hmm.
the 1080, and I have all of the cards for it. That's on the inside of it as well. Here,
Planet Fat,
man.
I wanted one of them back.
Man, let me tell you, I still pull up sounds on here.
Really?
Not only just like synths or synth bass sounds, but even the drums. Man,
that's what I was about to say. The drums.
You'd be surprised the way them drums knock.
Gosh,
they used
to. I always wanted. That was one of the coveted modules I wanted back in the day.
Really?
We never could. We broke. We was broke. But being broke made us rich. That's what the crazy.
You know how to overcome it. Yeah,
we learned how to overcome.
Come on,
but no, it was that Planet Fat was where it was at.
That Planet Fat, man, and I also had the Emu.
Mm-hmm.
They made like several series.
Yeah, they had the Mo-Fat one.
They had the Mo-Fat, the classic keys.
I remember them. Yeah,
and the whole night. Yeah, so I have the classic keys in another rack at home. And this is what a lot of people ask me, as it relates to my pianos and stuff, back on the earlier records, the P330.
Gosh. So this is the P330. That's the piano sound that we heard on all them classic records. This is the actual module that you used.
This is the actual module that I was using. Yeah, a lot of people thought I was using the MKS20.
Yeah.
But it was the PD30.
So all those Donald Lawrence records, all of that stuff.
All those pianos, coming from
we're looking at a piece of history here.
Yep.
Intro 2, 3, 4. GospelProducers.com.
1, 2, 3, 4.
To the top, 2, 3, 4.
Repite, 2, 3, 4.
Praise break, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Praise break, 3, 4. Go to church, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Drive it, 3, 4.
Breakdown, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Outro, 2, 3, 4. Chop it. Take it out. Stab the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This here, I need to get a new battery for it, but
Sonic.
The SQR, this is sentimental to me because this was my so my very first keyboard was a Roland D10.
Yeah, I remember
right
D10.
After that, this was the very next thing I got.
Okay.
I purchased. So even on those early records, like some of them horns and stuff I was doing.
Was the SQR?
Yep. And the TG55.
Dang.
The ASR, like a lot of those Rhodes.
ASR 10. Yep.
Never Seen the Righteous intro.
Yeah.
Rhodes on that. The guitar. I don't know if you're familiar with Minister first record, but they did a song, "Trusting God," and everybody thought it was a live guitar player.
And that was the ASR 10.
ASR 10. Yeah, the best guitar patch that I've heard. Wow. I haven't heard one to beat it yet.
Wow.
Even with all of the plugins and stuff that I have.
Yeah, you hadn't heard anything.
I haven't heard one to beat that guitar patch yet.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and this the old Elises.
Yeah.
Here, you know, with the
ADATs on it and stuff.
Yeah, and the hard drive version.
Oh yeah. The hard disk recorder one.
Yeah.
I remember that. That was another piece that I used to want back. I used to sit back with the Sweetwater magazine. Used to come back in the day, the actual big ones. And I used to circle all the stuff that I wanted. This was a teenager. I circled all of that stuff.
Yeah.
And I remember my daddy. He went and calculated it all. He's like, this boy want like $100,000 worth of stuff. He done circled it this bad. What does this do?
So the deal with this, man, was I very seldom actually recorded to that.
Yeah.
It was a kind of expensive way for me to go about this route, but I had another custom rack that this used to be in, and I was basically really just using this to send out optical.
Really?
ADAT.
Yeah.
Go ADAT in. And,
out in and out. That was
in and
got
out.
it. That makes sense. That makes sense.
So I had a guy in Maryland on my other rack that's in my production room at the house. He customized a optical rack for me.
Dang.
So on that it's got optical inputs on it, some RCAs and some XLRs on it.
Wow.
That he made for me. So that was the way that I was able to go in, you know, digital in and out. Yeah.
Jeez, man. That is so crazy. That is so crazy.
Y'all want to thank you for making it to the end of this clip. We appreciate you watching this breakdown. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to check out the links right over here. If you want to take your production, mixing, or whatever to the next level, or check out some of the other products that we have, make sure you check the links down in the description and in the comment section of this video. All right, I appreciate you guys. We'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.